In this video, I'm going to walk you through Cardi landing page tutorial. So this video is going to be step by step on how you could actually create a landing page using the Cardi platform. You need to do is to click on the first link in the video description. It's going to take you straight to the Cardi website. So once you're already on the Cardi website, all you need to do right is to basically create an account for yourself. So all you need to do is to just click on the login button. So once you click on the login button, it's going to take you straight to this place where you're going to be seeing the sign up button. So all you need to do is to just click on sign up now. So once you click on sign up now, they're going to ask you to fill out your name, your email address, your password, then confirm your password. Then once you're done with that, you need to agree with their terms and condition. And once you're done agreeing with their terms and condition, all you need to do is to just click on the sign up button. So once you click on the sign up button right here, your account is going to be created. So basically, I already have an account with Cardi, so I'm going to be logging into my account right here to show you guys how you could actually build your website with Cardi. So once you're done creating your account right now, this is how your account is going to look like. So you guys see right here that I already created website right here with Cardi. I already created two websites right here with Cardi. So all you need to do is just click on this plus button right here. So once you click on the plus button right here, it's going to take you straight to the Cardi template. So it's actually going to load up a bunch of templates that you could just drag and customize. So basically, one thing I love about Cardi is that you could actually just drag and drop, and it's actually like simple, it's actually mobile friendly, and you basically could actually like create a website right here without you having an experience about website development and experience about like coding stuff like that. So all you need to do is just like go through the template right here. You guys can see right here there are a bunch of templates right here that you could actually like get for free. So what I'm going to be doing now is I'm going to be looking for the template that I like. So we're actually going to be creating a website right here in this video. So guys, if by the end of the video you later find the video helpful, please don't forget to give the video a like and don't forget to smash that subscribe button. So after scrolling and scrolling, I think I love this template right here. So we're actually going to be going with this template. So all you need to do is just click on it. So once you click on it, just click on select. So it's going to take you straight to the Cardi elements. So it's going to load up a bit right here. So all you need to do is just like drag and drop. So basically, we're going to be editing this right here. So I'm actually going to be building a music distributor website right here using Cardi. So all I need to do is just like enter the name of the music distributor that I'm going to be building with Cardi. So the name of the music distributor I'm going to be building right here is actually Nation Digital. So I'm just going to be typing in Nation Digital. So once you're done with that, just click on done. So you can see right here it's already giving us the name. So basically, you could just like play with the template. You could like just scroll, remove some stuff that you don't like. So for example, now if you want to add image right here, all you need to do is just click on the plus button. So once you click on the plus button, you're gonna see different things you could actually do with Cardi. You could actually add image, you could add video, you could add audio, you could add links, you could like do a bunch of stuff right here. So if you click on add image right here, so let's just click on add image. So all you need to do is just click on upload. So once you click on upload, you can just scroll through your file right here to select the picture you want to upload. So guys, let me just quickly do some drag and drop. So I'm going to get straight back to you guys. So guys, after doing some dragging and dropping, guys, we finally able to create this beautiful website. Are you guys can see right here, this is how the website is looking like. So you can see right here, if I scroll down a bit, you're gonna see we have already like created our own beautiful website. And the best thing I love about Cardi is that it's actually going to be giving you the ability to customize your domain name. So once you're done like creating your website, so once you're done editing the website right here, all you need to do is just click on this menu bar. So once you click on this menu bar, all you need to do is just click on publish. So once you click on publish right here, it's going to take you straight to this page where you'll be asked to like fill in the title. So that's the name of the website. Then you can just like fill in the title. They're gonna ask you to like give the website a description. So once you're done with that, you just like scroll down a little bit. And yeah, this was what I was talking earlier. So Cardi is gonna be giving you the ability to like customize your domain name. So you could actually just put in the name of your domain. So mine is actually nationdigital.cardi.co, which I would say it's kind of a good name because there's no free website builder that's gonna give you the ability to customize your domain name. Like I've used a bunch of website builder in the past, like systemy.io, Wix. And like if you're actually going to be using the free version of this platform right here, they do not give you the ability to customize your domain name. So that's the one thing I love about Cardi so much. And again, Cardi is actually mobile friendly, so you do not need a laptop for you to be able to like build a website or design a website right here on Cardi. So all you need right here is your smartphone. So once you have a smartphone and a good internet connection right here, you will be able to like design and build your own website. And by the way guys, if you have found the video up so far, please don't forget to like the video, smash that subscribe button, and don't forget to turn on the notification bell. And also if you want to ask me any question, feel free to drop your comments and I'm going to be replying to all your comments. So once you're done adding your domain name, so all you need to do is just click on publish. So once you click on publish right here, our website is going to be live. So it's actually loading up a bit. So let's just wait for it to load. So you guys can see right here, voila, wow, our website is now ready for you. So all we need to do right here is just click on view website. So once you click on view website right here, you can see right here, this is how our website is looking like, guys. You can see right here that this website is so beautiful. So basically I actually had to like integrate some payment method to the website, because literally it's a music distribution website whereby people could be able to like sign up, like upload their music to all streaming platforms. So basically that's how you could actually like create a website with Cardi. And I hope this video was very helpful to you, and if you know it was helpful, please don't forget to like the video, smash the subscribe button, and also share this video to your friends that needs to see this video. I'm gonna be seeing you guys in my next video.